where did all your money go? This is a very common question we get from new Alchemy of Money members. And the thing is people get to the end of the year and they literally have the experience, and I know you know what I'm talking about, where you look and you say, wait, I have a net profit, but like, where's the cash? Let me give you a couple things. The first one is, it's quite possible that you had a great net profit, but you distributed all the cash out of your business for your personal life. That's one possibility. Second is, you may have actually distributed your money out and paid your taxes. Good job. And that may be where the money went. Or it could be that you just have expenses that are completely out of control. Either way, this is a really critical level of awareness that you need as an entrepreneur so that you know exactly where your money actually went.